What if peace wasn't something you had to search for, but something waiting quietly, just beyond the noise of everyday life? This is a journey through the untouched beauty of hilly roads, the deep silence of the Ghazari forest, and the timeless charm of rural landscapes. Far away from crowded cities and restless streets, a different world begins. A world where the road doesn't rush, it flows. The journey starts on a winding hill road, rising, bending, disappearing into layers of green. Every curve feels like a new discovery. Every turn opens a window to something unexpected. There's no hurry here, only movement, and the quiet invitation to slow down. As the road climbs higher, the air begins to change. It feels lighter, fresher, almost untouched. And then the forest appears. The Ghazari forest, calm, dense, and deeply alive. Tall trees stand like silent guardians, their branches forming a natural canopy overhead. Sunlight filters through in soft golden rays, dancing across the road and creating a rhythm of light and shadow. Inside this forest, time feels different, slower, softer, more real. Listen closely. The sound of leaves brushing in the wind, the distant call of birds hidden among the branches, the gentle hum of nature, uninterrupted. This is not silence. This is nature speaking in its own language, and as you move deeper, you begin to feel it. A sense of calm that cannot be explained, only experienced. Beyond the forest, the land opens up. A rural world unfolds. Fields stretch endlessly, painted in shades of green and gold. Small homes rest quietly beneath the sky. Narrow paths connect lives, stories, and generations. This is village life, simple, honest, and beautifully connected to nature. There are no distractions here, no artificial noise, only the rhythm of everyday living, steady, grounded, and real. A farmer tending his land, children laughing somewhere in the distance, smoke rising slowly from a village kitchen. These are not just scenes, they are moments of life, untouched by time. The road continues to guide us, sometimes hidden beneath trees, sometimes opening to wide panoramic views of rolling hills. Each scene feels like a painting. But nothing here is staged, nothing is artificial. This is nature in its purest form. And perhaps that's what makes it so powerful. In a world that constantly moves faster, places like this remind us to pause, to breathe, to feel, to reconnect with something deeper. Because this journey is not just about landscapes, it's about what those landscapes awaken within us. A sense of stillness, a sense of clarity, a quiet reminder that beauty doesn't need to be loud to be meaningful. The Ghazari forest has stood here for generations, witnessing seasons change, lives unfold, and time pass without hurry. And the hills, they continue to rise and fall just as they always have. Unchanged, unbothered, endlessly beautiful. As the journey nears its end, something lingers. Not just the views, but the feeling. A calm that stays with you. A memory that doesn't fade quickly. Because sometimes the most powerful experiences are the quietest ones. No grand moments, no dramatic scenes, just nature. Being exactly what it is. Pure, peaceful, and profoundly beautiful. So the next time life feels overwhelming, remember this place. The winding hill roads, the whispering forest, the quiet village, and the simple truth they carry. Sometimes the best way to move forward is to slow down.
Bukan ada show 40.